guys, and welcome back to my channel. In my personal life, I've been raving about this peanut sauce, and finally you get to try it for yourselves. I think the best part is it takes longer to get the ingredients together than it does to actually make the sauce, and it goes great on pretty much any starch you can think of. Let's get to it.
It's time for Galaxy Hoodie Go!
Ingredients. You're going to need approximately a quarter cup of red curry paste. Less is more with this if you're sensitive to spice, but otherwise just put in that quarter cup. Half of a tablespoon of salt, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1/2 of a cup of water, a rounded 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Use a natural peanut butter for this. The way you can tell if it's natural or not is it should say on the packaging and it'll have the oil settled on the top. Yeah, I know it's annoying to mix in, but trust me, it'll make a difference here. 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and 1 regular size can of coconut milk, which is marked usually at about 14 ounces. Turn your burner on and up to 75% of its total murder power and add your water to your pan, or preferably pot, but a pan will work. Add the salt and sugar straight away. If they don't drown, your sauce won't be complete. What's this? You can't drown inanimate objects? Damn it. All right. Put in the coconut milk. At this point, we want to make sure that the ingredients are combined, but also prevent burning on the bottom of the pan. Grab a whisk or some kind of agitating utensil and give the not quite sauce a few whirls. Back to the task at hand. Add the vinegar, peanut butter, and red curry paste. At this point, you just bring this up to a simmer. Remember, a simmer is the bubbles are breaking the surface, but it's not like a rolling boil where it's bubbling everywhere and is almost like a disaster. You can turn your heat down to about 50% to have a nice, safe, slow simmer. Go ahead and mix this intermittently for 5 minutes and then remove your pan from the heat. Give it a quick taste to make sure it's to your liking. If you want it spicier, you can add more curry paste, or if you want to tone down the heat, you can add a little more coconut milk. Just make sure to combine it thoroughly no matter which you choose. As far as storage goes, if you're not going to use this immediately, I recommend that you allow the peanut sauce to fully cool before you store it in the refrigerator. Put it in a glass container if you have one. If not, plastic will suffice, but you may see a little bit of staining. Now, as far as what I recommend you put this on, gosh, you can really put it on anything, though my favorite things happen to be rice, potatoes, or any dish that has chicken, beef, or pork. I'll link a video or two in the description of recipes that I believe this peanut sauce would go perfectly with. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and then go ahead and leave me a comment down below, or follow me on social media if you haven't already. There's going to be a button that appears here. Make sure to click that to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Always remember though, stick with me and you'll never go hungry again!